Hi LearnDash users. There are times when the course creator will need to change the course start date of a group of students. It is true that you can edit their enrollment date in the course detail area or each user's WordPress profile manually. But that is very time-consuming. If you use our custom user enrollment plugin, you can register and update students from the CSV template itself by uploading the CSV file. This video is a demo how our custom users enrollment plugin can actually update users' data in bulk. As you know, our custom users enrollment plugin has only 3 compulsory fields, namely username, email ID and role out of many fields that you can import for a LearnDash user. But for updating data of existing students, only 1 field, that is user ID, is compulsory to fill. To change the start date, you need to export existing users' data by going to the LearnDash reporting page. So, first go to LearnDash and click the Reports menu and click to download users' course data in CSV format. This step is required to download and to get a group of users' user ID and course ID, because LearnDash provides user-wise data export. Next, you need to download and open our user import template. Now, copy the user ID column from the exported file and paste in the import template. Next, if your user enrolled in more than one course, fill course ID in comma-separated value. Now, put the enrollment date in the enrolled course date column. Now, save our template. Next, upload template files from the custom user enrollment settings page. File imported successfully. Now we check the data. It changed. Awesome! We have successfully changed the start date. So, thank you so much for watching this video. See the video description to download the custom user enrollment plugin.